Hello, everyone. I'm glad you're interested in such an iconic story. However, I can't provide text from copyrighted books. If you're interested, I can provide a summary or discuss themes and characters from the book. Let me know how I can help. Get ready to explore the magic and excitement of finding a very special prize. So, what exactly is this chapter about? Well, it's a super exciting part of the famous book, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This specific section is all about the thrilling, unforgettable moment. In our main character, Charlie Bucket discovers the very last golden ticket. This isn't just any ticket, it's his chance to visit the incredible, mysterious, and delicious chocolate factory, owned by Willy Wonka himself. Imagine finding something that could change your life completely. Here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that when Roald Dahl first imagined this story, he thought there would be 10 golden tickets, not just 5? What an interesting change he made. The scene opens with pure excitement. Charlie rushes into his humble home, bursting through the door and shouting the incredible news. "I've got it! The last golden ticket!" His family, particularly his 4 old grandparents and his mother, are stunned into silence. For a moment, nobody moves. Then the silence breaks as Grandpa Joe, who hasn't been out of bed in 2 decades, comes alive. He's so overjoyed that he throws his soup, yells "Yippee!" and leaps out of bed to perform a dance of victory in his pajamas. It's a truly heartwarming and unforgettable moment that shows just how much this ticket means to their family. It's a sad fact, but Charlie's family is actually very, very poor. They often had to eat thin cabbage soup for dinner. This makes finding the golden ticket even more special and life-changing for them. Once everyone calms down a bit, Mr. Bucket, Charlie's father, reads the incredible invitation aloud. It's from Mr. Willy Wonka himself. The invitation promises a tremendous day, a personal tour of the entire chocolate factory, led by Mr. Wonka himself. And that's not all. Afterwards, they'll be escorted home by large trucks piled high with delicious eatables, enough to last the family for many years. Plus, a lifelong supply of tasty morsels whenever they need them, just by showing the ticket. Wonka also teases even more marvelous and fantastic surprises. This invitation is truly a dream come true. Here's a super fun fact about Wonka's factory. It's so secretive and mysterious that no one ever sees any workers going in or out. This makes it even more intriguing, doesn't it? As the family rereads the ticket, Mrs. Bucket gasps. The visit is scheduled for the very next day. Immediately, preparations begin. Grandpa Joe, full of renewed energy, enthusiastically volunteers to go with Charlie. What's even more heartwarming is that Mr. Bucket, despite wanting to go, selflessly suggests that Grandpa Joe deserves to go the most, given his long confinement. The family agrees, sealing Grandpa Joe's dream, but their private celebration is cut short. Suddenly, the house is swarmed by excited newspapermen and photographers, all desperate to get the full story of the 5th golden ticket winner for the morning papers. It's a chaotic but exciting end to Charlie's big day. Did you know the inspiration for Willy Wonka's amazing chocolate factory came from Roald Dahl's own childhood? The Cadbury Chocolate Company used to send free samples to his school, sparking his imagination. So, what wonderful lessons did we learn from the 5th golden ticket? First, it teaches us about hope and miracles. No matter how difficult life might seem, dreams can indeed come true, just like they did for Charlie. Second, it beautifully highlights the theme of family love. The way Charlie's family reacted, especially Grandpa Joe, and how they decided who would go, shows the strength of their bonds and the joy of sharing good fortune. And finally, it reminds us of the power of imagination. Roald Dahl's incredible storytelling transports us to a world filled with wonder and possibility. It's a truly sweet and inspiring chapter. Here's one last cool fact about Roald Dahl. He wrote almost all of his famous books in a tiny shed in his garden. It was his special writing place, filled with interesting objects and surrounded by nature. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the fifth golden ticket. Keep reading, keep imagining, and who knows what golden tickets await you in the stories to come.